Hi all and welcome to 2024, our first show of the year. I'm sure it will be the usual, packed again. Ponderings, wonder who will cry tears of joy again. Anyway, this is the Truth, Honour and Integrity Show. My name's Thomas Williams. Enjoy the show. Right, my fifth show in 9 days. That music was from the series All of Mankind. Music to the ears and music to the heart as well, and both are essential for an upward and then forward path. THI and also the Blueprint operates for, with and to all of mankind. And after those 3 review shows, if you haven't realised your calling or purpose by now, I nor anyone else can help you. Life choices and your path are your own. They always were. But what is your focus in the now determines your path and future. Lights will guide you home, but will you see them? And did you extinguish your own light through poor and or selfish choices? If it did, fix it and you. But after the many highs, deep ponderings, trips down memory lanes and some hard-hitting pieces of the review series, we are back to the normal shows and the first of the year. Can he take us higher, you may all ask? My reply is, can you take yourself and others higher? Can he outdo the previous shows? Well, I guess time will tell. And there are many other questions from part 3, and my reply is, I can't give an answer because there was no question, as you made up your own mind. And I'm going to wish you all a happy new year. And I hope your dreams, wishes and goals are all delivered in 2024. But remember, you can only achieve that by what you create and also what you manifest. And so we're going to start off with a Bulgarian ancestor special wish to begin this show. And my special wish is for you all, coming from my Bulgarian ancestors, is let it be light in your soul. Let your forehead stand tall. Let it be fire in your foyer. Let it be love under your roof. Let your word be heard, and let your tears be of joy. Let it be strength in your roots, and let your offspring abide. Let this saying be done. So as 2023 gives way to 24, I detect an air of excitement and hope within the members' ranks. And after Tuesday's predictions, most of which was positive across the spectrum, and also including part 2, there were some warnings to be heard and noted. Another overview here will carry us on to the next journey of discovery, that is 2024. And we have mentioned, due to the work done and ongoing, there is an energy erosion of the dark forces and an increase in the positive energies being formulated around the world. And this augurs well for us, but not so much for the dark forces and their minions. All of them who are on this planet are their minions. No matter how lofty they all think they are mere puppets on a small scale that is part of a much wider picture and scope. Now, there has been quite a few high-profile deaths recently within their clans. 2 lead Rothschilds, Bush Sr., the Queen Mother and the Queen herself. But none will have sent shivers down the spine than the loss of Kissinger. No longer has that very old soul defied the odds and cheated death. And it was back to source for him for the first time in many thousands of years.